Hi everyone, I am Mahendra. Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to explain why does sun appear red during sunrise and sunset. Our atmosphere consists of free molecules and atoms which can scatter the light which are comparable to the wavelength of the light. When the size of these atoms or molecules comparable to the wavelength of the light, then they scatter the light. For example, the atoms or molecules which are comparable to the wavelength of the red light are very small. That is why the scattering of red light is very less. That's why the red light does not scatter more comparing to the remaining light. During morning and evening, it means sunrise and sunset, light rays have to travel more distance. When the light rays are coming from the sun, here the molecules which are there, nitrogen and oxygen, they absorb the blue light because the size of the blue light or the size of the atoms is comparable to the wavelength of the blue light and they absorb and re-emit. That is known as scattering of light. Because of this more distance in this situation, this scattered light does not reach the earth. But the atoms or molecules which are comparable to the size of the red light or wavelength are very less. Hence, the red light reach our earth. Then we can see the sun as red. Then what happens at the noon time? Here also the rays which are coming from the sun enter into the atmosphere, the light ray, and here also nitrogen and oxygen molecules absorb the blue light and scatter. But this scattered light reaches our earth and remaining colors also reach. All together mix and finally we can see white color during the noon time. This is the reason the sun appear red during sunrise and sunset. Thanks for watching this video.